were 10 on the shelf, and the little one said, "Roll over, roll over." So they all rolled over and one fell out. Pumpkin! There were 9 on the shelf, and the little one said, "Roll over, roll over." So they all rolled over and one fell out. Cauliflower! There were 8 on the shelf, and the little one said, "Roll over, roll over." So they all rolled over and one fell out. Broccoli! There were 7 on the shelf, and the little one said, "Roll over, roll over." So they all rolled over and one fell out. Carrot! There were 6 on the shelf, and the little one said, "Roll over, roll over." So they all rolled over and one fell out. Spinach! There were 5 on the shelf, and the little one said, "Roll over, roll over." So they all rolled over and one fell out. Potato! There were 4 on the shelf, and the little one said, "Roll over, roll over." So they all rolled over and one fell out. Ladyfinger! There were 3 on the shelf, and the little one said, "Roll over, roll over." So they all rolled over and one fell out. Tomato! There were 2 on the shelf, and the little one said, "Roll over, roll over." So they all rolled over and one fell out. Avocado! There was 1 on the shelf, and the little one said, "I am an eggplant." Bye-bye! Five cute fruits jumping on the bed. Apple fell off and bumped his head. Pumpkin called the doctor, and the doctor said, "Abracadabra, now you're red." 4 cute fruits jumping on the bed. Orange fell off and bumped his head. Pumpkin called the doctor, who came with a bandage. Abracadabra, now you're orange. 3 cute fruits jumping on the bed. Banana fell off and bumped his head. Pumpkin called the doctor, who said, "Hello." Abracadabra, now you're yellow. 2 cute fruits jumping on the bed. Pear fell off and bumped his head. Pumpkin called the doctor, and the doctor screamed, "Abracadabra, now you're green." 1 cute fruit jumping on the bed. Grape fell off and bumped his head. Pumpkin called the doctor, who came with a pill. Abracadabra, now you're purple. No cute fruits jumping on the bed. None fell off and bumped their heads. Pumpkin called the doctor, and the doctor said, "Put those cute fruits in the basket." Ba, 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 ba.
Peas porridge hot, peas porridge cold. Peas porridge in the pot, 9 days old. Some like it hot, some like it cold. Some like it in the pot, 9 days old. Peas porridge hot, peas porridge cold, peas porridge in the pot, 9 days old. Some like it hot, some like it cold, some like it in the pot, 9 days old. Kittens, they lost their mittens and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear that we have lost our mittens. What? Lost your mittens, your naughty kittens, then you shall have no pie. Meow, 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 you shall have no pie. 3 little kittens, they found their mittens and they began to sigh. Oh, mother dear, see here, for we have found our mittens. Wow! Found your mittens, you sweet little kittens, you shall have some pie. Meow, 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 you shall have some pie. Welcome to KidsCamp, the place where all kids celebrate music and happiness. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating candy, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
I love vegetables, I love vegetables. They're so yummy and so healthy. Got snip, chop, shred or grate, put them in my dinner plate. Slurp, slurp, yummy, yummy in my tummy. I love broccoli, I love broccoli in my stew. It's good for you. Eat it up, will make you strong. Keeps you going all day long. Slurp, slurp, yummy, yummy in my tummy. I love carrots, I love carrots. They're good for my eyes. They make me smart and wise. Grate them up and make a bake. You can have them in your cake. Slurp, slurp, yummy, yummy in my tummy. I love spinach, I yummy in my tummy. I love eating peas. I love eating peas with my food. It tastes real good. Boil them in some water. Add some salt and pepper. Slurp, slurp, yummy, yummy in my tummy. I love avocados. I love avocados. Gives me energy and makes me happy. Mash it with tomatoes. Add them to your salad bowl. Slurp, slurp, yummy, yummy in my tummy. I love vegetables. I love vegetables. They're so yummy and so healthy. Cut, snip, chop, shred or grate. Put them in your dinner plate. Slurp, slurp, yummy, yummy in my tummy. For cat, da 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 for dog, for egg, for fish, ga 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 for guitar, ha 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 for horse, I for igloo, ja 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 for jam, ka for key, and la 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 for lamb. Phonics are so easy, phonics are so fun. Let's sing this phonics song. Yes, we all love to learn. Ma 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 for moon, na 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 for net, o for orange, ba 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 for pet, qua 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 for queen, ra 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 for rocket, sa 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 for sun, ta 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 for tiger, o for umbrella, wa 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 for west. Aren't you having fun? Yes, phonics are the best. Phonics are so easy. Phonics are so fun. Let's sing this phonics song. Yes, we all love to learn. Yay! Wa 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 for watermelon. Sa for xylophone. Ya for yogurt. Za for zebra. Phonics are so easy. Phonics are so fun. Let's sing this phonics song. Yes, we all love to learn. Phonics are so easy. Phonics are so fun. Let's sing this phonics song. Yes, we all love to learn. Once there was a very little sailboat. He stood still and could barely even float. Once there was a very little sailboat, but he didn't know how to sail. A week went by, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. A week went by, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. A week went by, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then the little sailboat learned to sail. If you think the story is way too short about a sailboat that never left the seaport, if you think the story is way too short, we will start it from the top. Once there was a very little sailboat. He stood still and could barely even float. Once there was a very little sailboat, but he didn't know how to sail. A week went by, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. A week went by, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. A week went by, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then the little sailboat learned to sail. jungle. But where are the animals? Lion, the king of the jungle, where are you? Roar, roar, how do you do? Crocodile, crocodile, where are you? Splash, splash, how do you do? Brown gorilla, where are you? How do you do?